I think the most we've learned is around the Homeland Security Information Network, right? So we started this little pet project probably about when you were starting DHS.
That was the one that was at one point dead, and then
One
came
point
back
dead.
to life.
We brought it back to life, 43,000 users.
Wow.
What we've learned is to make an enterprise platform work that well, you really have to listen to your users. And you have to develop a common thread for what they need, even though they don't understand what that common thread is. So as an example, there's a real angst around processing information for requests for information, right?
Right.
We heard it in pockets. We're starting to automate that for the fusion centers to make sure that we have a standardized way of exchanging that information that becomes actionable
Right.
for them and for their exchanges between their fusion center to fusion center, but also fusion center to state and local, below that and above that to the federal government, right? No one told us to build this RFI processing. We just heard, the angst around the capability to automate that business process. So we're sitting with the users. The same thing the intelligence community is doing is putting data scientists with the analysts, right? Sit with the users, build what the users need, deliver it quickly, using agile approaches or continuous delivery, but always start with the users. And the second thing we've learned in the data framework is that if you don't include your oversight groups, your privacy, your CRCL, your OGC guys,
Get the stakeholders in there.
from the beginning,
Right.
when you do information integration, when you try to bring it all together at the end, you have to hit the redo button because
Yeah.
they will ask you why you did everything and what decision point across the way. So be inclusive at the table when you're building these things and always listen to the mission because they're right.
Wow.